Welcome back to the Home Stretch. I'm Nina Soden, your North Alabama Realtor with the Soden team of Legend Realty.
And I'm Kat Frisby, mortgage loan officer with Victorian Finance. Today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, building equity faster.
I love this one too because it's not just about owning a home, it's about using your home as a financial tool. The faster you build equity, the more flexibility and security you have long term.
So let's start simple. Equity is the difference between what your home is worth and what you owe on it. Over time, you build equity naturally through appreciation and by paying down your mortgage. But there are ways to speed that up.
One easy strategy, make one extra payment per year. Even that small move can cut years off of your loan and save tens of thousands in interest.
Or switch to biweekly payments. That's 26 half payments per year, which equals 13 full payments. It's automatic equity building without feeling like a huge monthly stretch.
And don't underestimate the power of rounding up. Add an extra $50 or $100 each month, and it goes straight to your principal. Small moves add up fast.
You can also build equity through smart home improvements. Kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal tend to bring the best returns, but focus on projects that truly add value, not just style.
And here's a big one. Avoid over borrowing against your home. It's tempting to tap into equity for every renovation or debt payoff, but holding on to that equity gives you more options and stability later on.
Great point. Equity is a financial safety net, but it gives you flexibility if life changes, if you want to move, or if the market shifts.
Okay, let's wrap it up with the top takeaways. Extra payments, even small ones, can shave years off your loan. Biweekly payments and rounding up are easy ways to build equity faster. Strategic home improvements and responsible borrowing help grow long-term wealth.
Building equity isn't about luck. It's about consistency and smart choices.
And that's what we're all about here on the Home Stretch.
Thanks for joining us, and please share this with someone that is interested in building equity.
All right. Bye. Y'all.